Dual Move, the new cordless endo motor by Micromega. With control of movement, speed and torque, Dual Move is the must-have device to drive files during root canal shaping. Used in continuous rotation or reciprocation, standalone or combined with dual packs, the new electronic apex locator by Micromega, Dual Move lets you choose the mode that suits you the best. With a slim and compact design, well balanced in hand, offering a 340-degree rotative contra angle, Dual Move is a comfortable and versatile device. Press the main switch to turn on Dual Move. The standby screen shows the last program used. Press again the main switch to activate the rotation. Press once more to stop the rotation. Dual Move automatically turns off if not used for a while for power saving. Timeout before automatic switch off can be adapted. To force shutdown, press the main switch and the minus key at the same time. Dual Move being off, open the configuration menu by pressing the S and main keys at the same time, until Set appears on the screen. S key is used to move to the next parameter. Minus and plus keys to adjust the value of the selected parameter. First parameter to be set is the volume of sound indicators, from low level, medium up to high level. To validate and move to the next parameter, push S. The second parameter is the auto power off delay. Here, Dual Move will automatically switch off after 10 minutes of non-use. The display may be rotated to 180 degrees to better suit left-handed practitioners. Set Time is a timeout to automatically exit from any configuration or setting program and come back to the standby interface. Dual Move is then ready to be used. The last menu item relates to torque calibration. Regular calibrations are important to ensure the contra angle's torque accuracy on a long-term basis. After proper care and maintenance, no file being inserted, select On with minus or plus keys, then push S to start. Wait until the end of the automatic process. Dual Move features several programs to memorize your selections. Press minus or plus keys to select the right memory to be adapted. M0 is the reciprocation mode, with a large choice of counterclockwise and clockwise angles to be set separately. The other memories correspond to continuous rotation modes, with speed, reverse torque, and rotation direction to be adjusted. Choose the program to be set with minus and plus keys, for instance M1. Then select the parameter you want to change with S. Press minus and plus keys to adjust settings. The first parameter is the rotation speed. Push S to validate and switch to the next parameter. This is the torque value that generates an automatic reverse. The last setting corresponds to the rotation direction. For instance, forward or clockwise direction. Use S to memorize the M1 program. The standby menu is a summary of the settings for M1. Follow the same principle to set the M0 reciprocating program. Select the M0 program. Push S to select the forward angle, meaning the clockwise angle. Choose the value of the angle in the list with plus and minus keys. Validate with S. Then proceed to the definition of the reverse angle, corresponding to the counterclockwise angle. A summary of the settings is displayed on the screen. To start shaping, put the silicon cover onto the contra angle. Insert a file. Press the main switch to turn on. Select the preset memory program with the minus and plus keys, for instance M1. Push the main button to start the rotation. Instantaneous torque is displayed on the screen during use. A flashing marker indicates the value of the auto-reverse torque you have specified in this program. DualPEX is the new electronic apex locator by Micromega. Connecting the two devices lets you monitor the progression of the shaping file during a root canal preparation. The progression of the file is displayed on PEX's screen and duplicated on DualMove's display. Combining the two devices also allows you to choose the way to work thanks to additional features. The Apical Auto Reverse function activates an auto reverse when the file reaches the reference point. This point is the apical limit you can preset between the apical constriction and the foramen using the DualPEX's interface. This reference point is then transmitted to DualMove. This function comes in addition to the auto reverse on torque limit for a safer endo treatment. When the advanced auto start-stop function is activated, DualMove starts automatically when the file enters the root canal and stops when it leaves. When the apical slowdown function is set to on, the rotation speed is divided by 2 when the file reaches the reference point. Apical auto reverse, auto start stop, and apical slowdown functions can be activated individually or combined to each other. A different combination may be set for each memory program. DualMove being in standby mode, select the memory program for which you want to activate one or several advanced functions. For instance, M5. Hold S for more than 1 second. First of all, activate the combined mode between DualPEX and DualMove by setting the function connect parameter to on, using the minus key. Here, this parameter is already set. Press S to toggle between advanced functions and use the minus and plus keys to individually activate or deactivate each feature. DualMove and DualPEX is the winning combination for successful root canal preparations.